Today we're going to be learning about Christmas in America. So you might recognize her, the Statue of Liberty, one of our American symbols that is in New York. In America, children celebrate Christmas in many ways. These are stockings. Many families hang stockings from their fireplace or anywhere in your house that works. Children normally leave milk and cookies out for Santa on Christmas Eve, and sometimes families leave out carrots too for the reindeer. On Christmas morning, children open presents with their families besides their Christmas tree. So are any of these things that you do at your house with your family? So you're going to open up to the first page and you can see Christmas in America. So down here is our vocabulary, and we have milk, cookies, and Eve. So these are the three words we're going to be plugging into these empty words, or empty spots. So in America, children celebrate Christmas in many ways. Children leave and out for Santa on Christmas. So what did we learn that we leave out on Christmas? Milk and cookies, right? And we leave them out on Christmas Eve. So you're going to go ahead and use these words and write them in here. On Christmas morning, children open presents with their families besides their Christmas trees. So once you're done and you've filled this in, you can go ahead and you can color these pictures. Right here it says draw a picture about Christmas in America. So since we celebrate Christmas in America, you can draw whatever you do with your family in this picture. When you're done, don't forget you have your seal. You're going to find America, which is on the smaller page, and you're going to color it and cut it out, and you're going to paste it right here. Now, America we know a lot more about because that's where we live. Or as we learn new countries, we're going to start learning new things. So once you're done with this video and your page, head over to the next page, and you are going to find one of our classrooms that shows you all about Christmas in America. We have songs on there, we have different books, so go ahead and explore as much as you want.